Hello students, today we are going to study the NEET questions based on the biomolecules, and we are going to study basics of the biomolecules like carbohydrate, protein, and monosaccharides like fructose, galactose, etc. So let's start. The first question is based on the biomolecules is here. Starch and cellulose are the made of the compounds made of the many units like a living organism made of the many cells. Starch and cellulose are also made of the small units, and the question is here what the units are called. They are monomers. As you know that the polymers are made of monomers. So here RH the cellulose is a polymer and it is made of a monomer. And which kind of the monomer? It is a simple sugar, fatty acid, glycerol, or amino acids. So let's see the answer. The answer is the simple sugar. Carbohydrates and for example starch cellulose are asked here are always made of the simple sugar like monosaccharides. So the answer is simple sugar. Starch and cellulose are the carbohydrates and they are made of the simple sugars. So we have to learn the units, basic units from which they are made. Like carbohydrates, they are made from the monosaccharides. Proteins made from the amino acids. Because the amino acid is the basic unit of the protein, we can also say that the unit of protein is amino acids, and also the fats have these units made of glycerol and fatty acids. So you have to remember these facts always. Our next question: which one of the following is the sweetest sugar? इनमें से कौन सी सबसे स्वीटेस्ट शुगर हो सकती है, ये आपसे क्वेश्चन किया गया है. So फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन was about basic question, second question about the sweetest sugar. And the first option is the fructose, second is glycose, third is galactose, fourth is sucrose. So one of them option is the correct, not all of them can be correct. And the correct answer is the fructose. Fructose is a fruit sugar and it is the sweetest among the other sugars. So we have to remember this fact. Next question: which the following is the characteristics of a plant? The question is incorrect actually, but it was asked in the medical examination, so I have put up here. The basic sense of this question is the plants have each of the following biomolecules. First is glucose and cellulose, second pyruvic acid and glucose, third cellulose starch, and fourth starch and pyruvic acid. Uh, it is a confusing question because the first option given is the glucose and cellulose. Yes, they have glucose but very low level, and second option pyruvic acid and glucose, they have pyruvic acid but at a very low level. But which is the most they have is the starch and cellulose. So the correct answer is the cellulose and starch, which is the mostly, and we can say that the most percentage of the carbohydrates the plants have is cellulose and starch. So the correct answer is the C option, third option, cellulose and starch. Cellulose and starch are found in the plants. Next question: which of the following is disaccharides? If you study about the carbohydrates, you mostly know about the monosaccharides, polysaccharides, and the oligosaccharides. And the question is here: what are the disaccharides and which of the following is the disaccharides? Options are given here. The first is the ribose, second is the maltose, third is the glucose, and fourth is the cellulose. So let's get the answer. The answer is here is the maltose, because lactose, sucrose, and maltose are the best examples of disaccharides. So the first question came here: what is the difference between the monosaccharides, disaccharides, and the polysaccharides? So let's describe it. Monosaccharides are made of the single sugar, and they have the H common word ended end of the ending name. Second is the disaccharides. Disaccharides, as the name is clear, di means two. So disaccharides are always made of the two monomers or two monosaccharides. And polysaccharides are made of many monosaccharides. So here is the lactose, sucrose, and maltose are the disaccharides. Next question: inulin is the common name of a sugar is found in. Inulin is a basic name which is used in the various place, and you know that various roots work we used as the food, and they have contained inulin. So first question is here about this. Inulin is found in stems, root and rhizomes, leaves of flowers, and the answer is roots and rhizomes. Inulin is found always in the roots and rhizomes of the plant, not in stem, not in leaves, not in flowers. They are found in roots and rhizome. Let's explain it. Inulin is sugar which is polymer of fructose and it is found in the roots and rhizome. So it is made of the fructose sugar. Next question. Pentoses and the hexoses are the most common. They are what? That is the sense of this question. इस क्वेश्चन में ये कहा गया है कि पेंटोजेस एंड हेक्सेज हैं क्या? दे आर डाइसेक्राइड्स या मोनोसेक्राइड्स हैं या ऑलिगोसेक्राइड्स हैं पॉलीसेक्राइड्स हैं. तो ये हैं क्या? आंसर इज हियर. Pentoges and hexages are examples of monosaccharides. You have to remember these facts. Basically, age word used in the end of the enzymes, but also monosaccharides have the common ending like a age word. So pentoges and hexages are example of monosaccharides. Next question. A crop immersed in boiling water, then it is cooled, the solution becomes sweeter, it is due to. इसका मीन से बता देते हैं. एक क्रॉप फॉर एग्जाम्पल कॉर्न को लेते हैं, उसे हम बॉइलिंग वाटर में कुछ समय रखते हैं, उबलते हुए पानी में रखते हैं और फिर उसे कूल करते हैं, ठंडा करते हैं. जो सॉल्यूशन है वाटर का वो हो जाता है स्वीटर, मीठा हो जाता है. और ये किसके कारण हो सकता है? फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज हियर एंजाइम्स. क्या ये एंजाइम्स के कारण हो रहा है? क्या कोई एंजाइमिक रिएक्शन हुआ है? सेकेंड, डाइसेक्राइड्स कन्वर्ट हो चुके हैं मोनोसेक्राइड्स में. क्या उसमें कोई डाइसेक्राइड्स थे जो मोनोसेक्राइड में कन्वर्ट हो गए? थर्ड, क्या मोनोसेक्राइड्स जो थे वो कन्वर्ट हो गए डाइसेक्राइड में? और फोर्थ ऑप्शन है नॉन ऑफ द अबव. So answer is here, disaccharides are converted into monosaccharides because monosaccharides are always sweet and the solution becomes sweeter. So B option is correct. Not monosaccharides are converted into disaccharides. How it can be possible when you boil corn or any food item? How it can be make another item by adding? It will always break down in small particles. So B option is correct, which disaccharides are converted to monosaccharides. Let's explain it.